Welcome to our culinary journey to Turkey. Today we'll make the iconic dessert, baklava, with its layers of flaky pastry, nuts, and sweet syrup. Baklava is a treat you'll want to make over and over again. Let's quickly dive into what you'll need for this delicious recipe. First, gather your ingredients. A package of phyllo dough, about 1 pound, 2 cups of mixed nuts like walnuts and pistachios, 1 cup of unsalted butter, melted, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water, 2 cup of honey, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. These simple ingredients will create the magic that is baklava. To start, we need to prepare our nut filling. Place your nuts into the food processor and add a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Pulse them a few times until they are finely chopped but still have some texture. This nut mixture will add the delicious crunch to our dessert. Next, let's get to assembling. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees, 175 degrees. Take a large baking dish and begin layering your phyllo dough. Start by brushing a sheet of phyllo with melted butter and layer it in the dish. Repeat this process for about 8 layers, making sure each is coated with butter. Now sprinkle a generous layer of the nut mixture on top. Continue this layering process. Another 8 sheets of phyllo followed by more nuts until all your filling is used up. Ensure the final layer is phyllo dough brushed with butter. This layering technique creates the flakiness that baklava is known for, ensuring every bite is a perfect blend of pastry and nuts. Before baking, cut the baklava into diamond shapes. This not only makes it easier to serve later, but also ensures it bakes evenly and achieves that perfect golden brown color. Once cut, place the baklava in the oven and bake for about 45 minutes or until it's crisp and beautifully golden. While the baklava is baking, we'll make our syrup. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of water, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 cup of honey, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Bring this mixture to a boil. Then lower the heat and let it simmer for about 20 minutes until it thickens slightly. This syrup will soak into the baked baklava, adding sweetness and making it irresistibly moist. Once the baklava is out of the oven, immediately pour the hot syrup over it, ensuring it covers all the pieces evenly. This step is crucial as the hot syrup will soak into the hot baklava, melding the flavors together beautifully. Let it cool completely to allow the syrup to fully absorb. And there you have it. Your homemade baklava is ready to be enjoyed. With its perfect layers of flaky pastry, crunchy nuts, and sweet syrup, this dessert will transport you straight to the streets of Turkey. Enjoy your slice of this delightful treat